How to fix Brawl Stars not opening after the update. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Brawl Stars not opening after the update. Well, the process is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. If you're having the issues of Brawl Star not opening after you have updated it since you updated it, what you can do is you can simply first uninstall and reinstall the application. If you do not want to do so, you can simply head over to your settings at the top right corner, scroll down and head into apps. Under apps, you can search in for Brawl Stars and head over to Brawl Stars app info page, and there you want to head into the storage section. Here you'll get two different options, that is to clear the cache and clear the data. If you wish to clear the cache, simply tap on clear cache and check if this error is fixed. If the issue persists, you can tap on clear data. However, remember this will delete all the app's data permanently. Do this and then relaunch the app and it should fix the issue. This is how you can fix Brawl Stars not opening after the update. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.